being a very rich biscuit. So I think what you want to do is make a less rich dish, and just sprinkle the top with melt some butter, and then mix in some brown sugar and oatmeal, quick oats, the thinner flake of oat, and sprinkle it all over the top. You'll have a nice crunchy top.
Yeah.
Put some nuts in there if you like.
Hey, Matt. Wave to Daddy. He ain't waving.
They should still be pretty good. What do you think? I mean,
Okay, go running, Matt. I want to see you run. Yeah? It was a V. Here he goes. It was a B?
Yeah. Where's Mommy?
She went to the bathroom.
She was...
Backman Turner Overdrive.
Daddy's camera.
Okay, try Daddy. Put your hands out.
Oh.
Okay. Ready? Put your hands out. Nice. Okay, ready?
Oh.
Close. All right.
Wow, it was good.
All right, put your hands out. Good. Close. Okay, ready? Put your hands out. Now let's catch. Hands out, ready? Look at the ball. Here it comes. You want to take that seat on? Look at it. Put the ball in the bag. Go. Put your hands out. got the truck. Are we gonna go to the beach today?
Yeah.
You push the button?
Yeah.
Can you do your horsey for me? Oh. Bless you.
Here he comes, Daddy.
Oh, it's tickling me. You're tickling me. Who are you gonna play with at the beach? Who's going to the beach with us, Matt?
Kyle.
No.
It comes.
Who is it?
Colin.
And who else?
Valerie.
And who else?
And Carlo.
Carl.
Carlo.
Carlo. Okay, we're gonna go to the beach.
I've got like 4 cups of juice in my, and I've got it. Like, yeah, I figured I can get some lemonade or something up there. Oh, I'm so glad you brought that, Steve.
Oh yeah.
And then bring it.
Whoops.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Does she do it?
Matt, come on back. Phew.
Got him a power and he never took any mallet.
Ah, you got it.
What's he gonna go on and get me a new camera?
What do you... Matt, come on in. Matthew. Come on, you're too far. There they go.
Hi, can you?
Colin. See, he's down there in the water, man. Okay, throw it in the water, Matt. All right, come on back. Come on back. Should I come back? Okay. There he goes again.
Oh!
Woo! Matt, jump in. Jump in. Okay, they can watch these, movies. Yankee.
No, from Ranger.
Oh, what's his name? It's lunchtime. It's so cute.
I see you. Your arms up really high like this.
This is doing it, yeah.
I'm glad you're getting used because we didn't have any of her learning to walk. What? When we leave here today.
Oh, yeah.
All the free air.
Oh, yeah. Oops.
I brought like 4 changes of clothes for her, so.
You're building sandcastles. I can take them down.
Matt, you guys building sandcastles? Mallory?
I see that. You made a sandcastle too? So we're driving down here and he's going to head to the shovel. That's what Carl was telling us, that little